Jamaica's under-20 Reggae Girlz will be hunting their first.
Shaky start for us, so I have to give the girls credit for coming back the way we did, 3-0 down at halftime. Clawing our way back and leading the game 4-3. We'll have to commend the young ladies. We started off real shaky, made a few mistakes, and it's part of their learning curve. We made some adjustments at halftime, and it paid dividends for us.
El Salvador are without a point, having gone down 2-0 to Canada in their opening game on Saturday, and Coach Gilbert is hoping to grab valuable points from them on Monday.
We just have to move on. I think we'll get better as the tournament progresses. Looking forward to the game against El Salvador, a very organized unit. However, there are a few weaknesses that we think that we can exploit, and then that's the plan, to exploit those weaknesses. Hopefully, it will prove dividends for us, and we'll be successful in getting some points out of the game.
The top two teams from the championship will advance to the FIFA Under-20 Women's World Cup later this year.